Hey Shane, we have a little fresh powder on the fourth day of skiing. We wish you were here. Sorry that you're not. You would have enjoyed hanging out with me and Ridge and Dave.
To attend the dog days.
Yeah, this is it. This is the third dog day. It'll be 47 degrees by 12 o'clock. Another hair day. We hate that you listen. Love you. Bye.